Greetings everybody, how are you doing today? Good to have you here. Today is the 12th of August 2021, and yesterday we had the CPI that came out for the US dollar, and then it came out bad, it came out negative. And then of course we saw across board for here cable, we saw the cable appreciate as a result of the news release from yesterday. And looking across board also, you will see the heavy candles based on the CPI that we had yesterday. And moving on some more, you can see Kiwi, and you can see a dollar Swizzy, you can see dollar CAD, you can see gold. Yes, gold for some time now, ever since the flash crash, right, which occurred market open. This is the flash that we had over here, right? Gold has still, we talked about this yesterday, by the way, where we said most likely to still be within these highs and these lows. But then you can see that it is appreciating, trying to test the highs of the flash crash, right? And looking at this from the weekly perspective, it looks like a long-tailed hammer, right? But we have to wait for the candle to close in order to see more clearly. Is it going to push higher some more, or is this long-tail hammer, is it going to fail? Only time will tell. And if I remember, based on popular demand, somebody asked us to look at the pounds JPY, right? So this is the pounds JPY, and if there's any instrument that you want us to look at too, please do let us know. This is the pounds JPY over here, and then overall, first of all, it's rather on the messy side if you look at what we have here. But if you want to follow the waves, this is a wave here, this is a wave here. From following this wave, you can see that we had this push up, and after the push up, you can see what we had after. We had this sideways movement over here, right? So from what we have here, it's more or less on the ranging side, and what you would like to wait for is a probable breakout to the upside. We test this range inside the major range and then push higher some more. So this here could be an area of interest for you. And again, another thing that is good that you can see it's making some higher highs here, or rather this is a lower higher lows, making some higher lows here. So if this happens, then we could have another higher low here, another higher low here, based on the movement. So it's making some higher lows. This for now is looking a bit on the bullish side, but let's wait and see. You need good enough price action to give you the directional bias that we need on this. So for every other person, if there's any other instrument that you'd like us to look at, do comment in the section below, and then we'll see what we can do for you. This is our daily market analysis. And don't forget, we have data coming out today for the PPI, Producer Price Index, by 1:30 p.m. UK time. Expect volatility in the market as well. We will have that come out for the majors on gold, as of course that is going to affect the US dollar, the US index, the greenback, right? So nothing more for now. The only thing I would advise is ensure to use proper stop loss, ensure to calculate your risk appropriately, as we might have another volatile day today, right? So thank you for joining, thank you for paying attention, and of course we'll see you same time tomorrow. Cheers.